Welcome to Meets Woodshop. And making this really fancy clipboard for your damp burn eye protection. Let's drill some holes. Join me in making this awesome beer mug. So I'm actually really happy with this. I think it looks really nice. My dovetails, I did not think that I was going to be making a technique. I'm Caleb Knopf with Ming's Woodshop, and today we're going to make this really cool rustic pallet beer bottle opener. Man, on a cold day like this, it'd be nice to pop a cold top on a brew. If only I had a way to pop the tops off a brew, because right now I don't. Well, most brews are twist top, but you know, we're trying to be cool here. My sister gave me this. I'm not trying to be some lazy creep that's just gonna screw this to my wall. I suppose you could. I've got this. This is just oak off a pallet. But it doesn't need to be as wide as it is, so we are going to take just a little bit of thickness off of it. I'm gonna have, obviously, the bottle cap opener on here, and the caps are gonna fall, so what I want is I want a little box that's gonna catch all of them. And I actually think this is a perfect thickness for the depth of the box, but how long do we want it? That's a golden question here. No, I think 2 inches looks good. Alright, these are the pieces I made for the little catch tray. Both these are 2 inches, and they think this is like a 2 1/4. I'm gonna use some dowel joinery. I'm gonna drop some glue down in there. Here's our little box gonna go on the front of the opening. It's all clamped up. I have a really thin piece of walnut, just scrap walnut that I had laying around that I put on the bottom of this. On another scrap, I thought it'd be cool to make a little thing to put on the top, like up here. And I figured I would Dremel that little saying in there. And I'm not very good with a Dremel, as you could see, but I did a little test, and I think I could do it. Not too bad. And probably for the sake of speeding this up, I'm also going to put screws in from the back. And they'll go through this, mounting it to this, and then it'll also mount it to the wall as well. Well, there you have it, partner. I like the Danish oil so much on that pallet end table project that I'm going to use that to finish this bottle opener.
My bottle's not even open.
Well, do you want to open your bottle?
Good old Means Woodshop cheer. Hip hip hooray!
Hooray!
Yeah!
Come on, Adam!
Yeah!
So that was easy. I got that done in like 2 hours, something like that. Easy project. This was made from pallet wood. You could easily make it with any scrap wood you have laying around too. And if you have a Dremel, you could put a little Papa Top on there. Will likes it.
It's alright.
Will, what would you
Pretty good.
What would you put on that, Will?
I put Papa Top. Just like that.
If you enjoyed this video, please like it. Also, feel free to share it as well, as it would help me out a lot because I need views, damn it. If you don't like the video or the project or me, then I'm sorry. I guess you could put a thumbs down on there if you want. I don't.
Just have really high standards.
You can subscribe to the channel too. I have new woodworking projects every week, and you can hit the little notification bell too, and you'll be notified every time I upload a new project video. So smash that subscribe button. I will see you next week.
Hip hip hooray!
Don't say hip hip hooray.